Wow, very cool experience. Nice. So this is the West Bali National Park where we stay.
Yo, what's up? So it's another day in West Bali National Park and we are going for having a breakfast, and we got brilliant ideas. We have to get exercises and we're driving the bicycles through the jungle, but it's 2.5 kilometers, so well, at least healthy lifestyle in the national park, right? Yes, honey?
Yeah, I hope there is no crocodile around or tiger.
Tiger, no, but the scorpions, snakes,
Probably.
Monkeys.
Monkeys. But yeah, can you hear the sound of the birds, nature?
Woo. And where we go now?
On the right.
All right. This is how it looks like driving. Here actually is the good part because it's nice road. Some other places have a much more worse road, like this one, for example. Ooh. Annie, you driving fast lah?
Oh, that's the horse stable.
Oh, horse stable.
So here's Damian riding a bike.
So cool. Alright, I'm still finishing my bread. We are in the same place for the breakfast. Check this out. Honey, how is your breakfast, honey?
Look, I've got my nasi goreng.
Of course, Indonesian breakfast must be
No nasi, no?
no eat. And all of this here, bread, fruits, my
Coffee, juice,
coffee.
cinnamon rolls.
I already eat what you saw at the beginning, so I'm sorry. And this is all included in a package of room and just $50, which is a very big thumbs up.
Yeah, so when we stay here, all included. You know, like stay for $50, breakfast included. So good.
Alright, so we decide to do some canoe or kayaking, however you call, because it's super low tide and we saw so many fishes around, so we will put the camera under the water. This is the mangrove over there. At the front is Sayang. Hi Sayang, how are you?
Very nice. It's very great experience.
Very great experience. The only bad point is that it's super hot. Actually, it's not that bad, but it's super hot. And we will show you around. Yesterday I fly drone in this area. Today we're gonna swim in this area. I mean the kayaking.
All right, so we are sailing. This is a very sunny, hot day, and you see that, you know, the tide here is very low, and over there also a resort. And then we are in the middle of the ocean, and then this is how it is. Beautiful. So it's really a great experience, you know, like when you are in Menjangan, there are many activities, so we choose kayaking. There are snorkeling also activities, but better we just taking the kayaking. Look at that. Beautiful. So we crossing the ocean, and there is another resort in front of us. So this is the resort. Very nice. White sand beach. Look at the hills over there. Yes. Wow. Very cool experience. Nice. So this is the West Bali National Park where we stay, and there is another resort over there. I think that's the Menjangan Dynasty Resort, darling.
Yeah, but it's on the not belongs to the national park.
Yeah, so
National park is on your side when you are facing now.
yeah.
All right, so just next to us, this is like
Dolphin rescue.
dolphin rescue place.
Yeah. So they are just rescue the dolphin from the circus. They put it here and they will release back to the ocean.
Very nice.
They said we cannot get inside because the dolphin will scare.
All right, so we cannot get inside because dolphin will scared. I think this is made by government because it's national park.
Yeah, this is for, before they're releasing back to the ocean. So you know that the sick dolphin from the circus, they have to be, treated well here.
Yeah.
The place where they can get medicine and everything.
It's
and
like a hospital for the dolphins.
Yes, exactly.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, we have to respect their peaceful life there.
Yeah.
Let's go back. You cannot see this from the GoPro what I use now, but there where I'm showing the finger is the snake, huge snake swimming around, Okay, I got scared now, honey. Let's dock. Enough of activities of that, yeah? Oh, you see? God damn it, it's so big lah. See?
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say.
So hot in Menjangan Island. I mean the West Bali National Park actually. Beautiful weather. I'm gonna get a sunburn, I can already tell it, But it's very nice to be here,
It's sunny and then the breeze, the sea breeze. Oh my God, we already, kayaking today, and then now we will go back to the room and have a swim, chill out.
And check out unfortunately we didn't go on this occasion to Menjangan Island, which is actually the special island, not so far away from here. However, I think we will come back here one day. We have to also prepare our budget, especially for Menjangan Island, because it's quite
Expensive.
But it's very nice. We will maybe come back one day. So,
We will come back for sure.
Anyway, after that we'll be show a little bit about the West Bali West Coast. We will see what is on the way home, because the way home is quite long, very long. Honey,
Yeah.
how do you feel, honey?
Oh my God, so good.
Our safari ride.
So good.
So, just after day full of activities, last jump to the pool, refreshing before we have to go home. Going home from this area is about 100 something kilometers in Bali, so
Around 2 hours to Tabanan and 3 hours to Denpasar.
yeah, to Sanur is like 3 hours at least. So yeah, that's how it look. Very nice.
That you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one me. No one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you.
Alright, so this is the road in the West Bali National Park. The jungle. Can you hear the sound of the nature? Yeah, big road. Ah, the monkeys! Big roads to go to Gilimanuk area. Go to Java. But now we are not going to Java, but we'll be back to home, Sanur. Hi, monkeys! Monkeys are on the road. So yeah, it's beautiful. Alright, so this is West Bali, Jalan Gilimanuk, Denpasar. Yeah, so this in the front is the truck, logistic truck coming from Java. As you see, overloaded truck. It's just normal, it's just like that. Alright, so this is the center city of West Bali. So this is Negara Regency and the city center called Jembrana. So this is the city center, the park, city park. Beautiful. So this is the biggest temple. It's called the Jagannatha Temple in West Bali. Very nice. So
They was praying on the middle of the road.
yeah, I think there is a ceremony.
So we are just stopped on the road and the beautiful coast, the road. That's very nice actually.
So this is the road, the border between Tabanan and West Bali, Negara Regency.
With the beautiful statue over here.
So the symbol of Negara Regency is this bull race.
And also, I just want to say, as we passed the area and other beautiful parts of West Bali, like a road, rice fields, even temple, but it's too much to show in one day, so we decided as we will come one day to stay maybe in Mengwi, somewhere where it's famous place for surfing, Medevi or Balian or summer, and we will make a special vlog about this part of Bali. Yes, honey?
Yeah.
I think that will be enough for today's vlog. It's super hot, we are already so tired. Going from West Bali to South is actually quite tiring, so many tracks.
Yeah. It will take us around 3 hours.
3 hours.
I think that's all our video today, guys. Thank you for watching. And
See you tomorrow. See ya.
Bye.
Take care.